Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a look at function notation and operations of function notation, but this time without a numerical input. So in the last video, we were inputting a number and then applying some operation to our functions. In this one, we do not have a numerical input, so we'll be just adding or subtracting our functions together. We're going to focus on addition and subtraction in this video. All right, so given the functions f of x and g of x, we're trying to evaluate or simplify f plus g of x. Okay, so we know that this can be rewritten. F plus g of x is really just f of x plus g of x. Okay, so we're going to be just adding our two functions together. And let's go ahead and fill in our functions now. So we have f of x, which we see here is x squared plus 2x minus 1. We are adding that on to negative 2x plus 1. Okay, so we just have a long expression here that we need to simplify, and that's really all you have to do here. Okay, so x squared does not have any like terms. We have 2x minus 2x, which is 0, so that cancels out. Okay, so here we're just combining our like terms, and then minus 1 plus 1. That actually works out also. That one cancels out as well. It doesn't always work out like that, but in this one it does. So when we add those two functions together, the only thing that's left here is x squared. So again, you're just combining your like terms and simplifying as best you can. Okay, so again, I had like terms here and here. They just happen to cancel out in this example. All right, let's take a look at another one. Okay, so here we have the same two functions, but this time we are going to be subtracting. We see we have g minus f of x. So there's a slight difference with this one when we solve this one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and rewrite it. We have g of x minus f of x. Okay, so g of x is negative 2x plus 1 minus, I'm going to put this in parentheses because we are actually going to be distributing that negative sign. All right, and f of x is x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, now because you are subtracting here, it's going to be a little bit different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that negative sign into my f of x function, because the minus sign applies to my entire function f of x. Okay, so it's negative 2x plus 1. I get negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. And now again, just like we did with the first question, I'm combining my like terms. I have negative 2x, and I have a positive 1 and a positive 1. Okay, so combined, I get negative x squared. That gets brought down because I don't have anything that combines with that. Negative 2x and negative 2x is negative 4x. And then I have positive 1 and positive 1, which is going to be a positive 2 when I add those together. Okay, so it's really not that complicated. Again, what you're doing here is you're just combining your functions, either here by adding or subtracting. In some of the following videos, we'll talk about multiplication, division, and a couple of other operations.